Unobhala jikelele esifundazweni sakaZulu Natal eqenjini lika African National Congress umnomzane BAKHWELA uthi hambani niyogeza empophomeni manicabanga ukuthi yena udelela owayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. Kanti ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa eningizimu Afrika umnomzane BAKHWELA uzwakale ekhweledilika kumsholozi. Lezi ndaba nezinye zixhaswe uDr Njongo otholakala eNtuzuma kwaG enombolweni ethi 079 0804929. Ngikubingelele mbukeli igama lami ngingo MC Pholobaso Andile wakangcobo. Ngicela uthole lezi nezinye kusuka manje kuyaphambili. Inhlangano yabasebenzi ikhosathu ikhumbuza ukhongolose ukuthi emaphutheni awu njalo bayazi ukuthi kukhona okuhle abake bakwenza njengenhlangano kaAfrican National Congress. Kodwa khumbulani phela asinawo umshado esinawo nezinkantolo umshado wethu njengekhosathu ukanye neANC. Zizwele kabanzi ikhosathu iqondisa ngqo kumongameli uRamaphosa inkulumo yawo.
Now kumyalezo ke president usuka pha ekhosathu uthi the African National Congress must heal the wounds that have been experienced by public servants when they were robbed their 2018 Resolution 1 wage agreement. The reality is uhulumende uyabakolota abasebenzi noba icourt yenza ithini na. We are not in alliance with the courts. We are in alliance with the African National Congress. And we want you to come back to the table in the bargaining council and resolve the crisis that was caused by government and the courts regarding public servants and their wages. We want you to improve the lives of farm workers. President, as I conclude, we are saying a lot has been gained under the leadership of the ANC. And indeed, you are acknowledging the ANC is not perfect. It has made its mistakes, but it has also worked over many years to champion and to deliver working class demands. Comrades, the ANC is the product of the workers' struggle.
Kusenjalo umnomzane BAKHWELA ngunobhala jikelele esifundazweni sakaZulu Natal eqembini African National Congress ukhomba ngenjombane loyo wayengumongameli wezwe laseningizimu Afrika umnomzane Jacob Zuma uthi umnomzane Jacob Zuma uwanyathele nangenyawo amaZulu ngenkathi enqinda ubuhlo kade buzoba khona obabuqanjwe uThabo Mbeki kwaNongoma. Uveza ukuthi abantu basenkandla bazovotela ukhongolo semanje ngoba loyo bezithuthukisa yena noma obona kuhuye fanele bemkhulu njengamanje usephumile kuANC. Uthi ekhanda nekhala akazoyikhuluma kodwa bacabanga ukuthi uyadelela abahambe beyogeza empophomeni. Zizwele umnomzane BAKHWELA ezikhulumela yena njengonobhala jikelele weqembu leANC esifundazweni sase KZN.
Asisho ukuthi lenhloko enkulu. Asisho ukuthi lekhala ecijile. Sisho izinto abezenza njengoboni ebezigwegwile kwaANC. Ezagcina zenza ukuthi iANC ilahlekelwe amavoti. Comrades. iANC comrades from 94, Mandela is a candidate. It wins elections. 1999, Thabo Mbeki is a candidate. It wins elections more than it got in 1994. Very few people in the ANC know what Thabo Mbeki gave the ANC more support than it got in 1994. In 2004, comrade, the ANC had told 69%, two-thirds majority. They didn't know my in parliament. Yes, in 2009. Yes, in 2011. A KZN yakhuphuka ngo-2009, yakhuphuka ngo-27, kodwa ngo-2016 ngoba basebekubona ugwegwe yehle umphelo. Now, le nto ukuthi yehle ngoba sekupresident Ramaphosa iANC support amanga. Akulo nqiniso. Data is there. iANC iqale kwehlelwa isupport ngo-2009 when Zuma was the president of the ANC. How for him to go out and say, when I'm a post, when the Uti ANC level support, I got in our post, get only Suti Mina and Fananga and Tabombe. He get a weak ANC. Because Utabombe gave me a strong ANC. Zuma should be apologizing to the ANC. Should be apologizing to Ramaphosa. Because he was given a strong ANC with two-thirds majority in the truth. And gave Ramaphosa a fragmented ANC, a weak ANC. That Ramaphosa is building. Zuma should be apologizing to us. Not this nonsense going around telling to us that the ANC is weak under Ramaphosa. He weakened the ANC. All people that supported Zuma in 2007, where are they today? He fragmented COSATU, removed Zuma Vavi, connived at night, removed NUMSA. The most biggest industrial union was removed from COSATU because they were critical of Zuma. They were removed. Zuma Vavi was removed. Julius Malema was removed. Everybody else who supported Zuma was removed. Zwalim Kize didn't come back in 2017 because Zuma was fed up with him. All who supported Zuma are no longer Zuma's friends. Tell me who supported Zuma today? Who is still his friend? Go and ask Oscar Mabuyane how Zuma treated Oscar Mabuyane. After Oscar Mabuyane proclaimed Eastern Cape not only to support Zuma in conferences, but gave Zuma more support in terms of electoral support in Eastern Cape, Zuma turned against Oscar. Zuma turned against Oscar. He turned against everybody. He turned against DT. He turned against everyone who supported him. Now, who are we to not turn against us? If we can turn against everybody who supported him. Tabombe planned a project here in Enyogen. Zuma came in, frustrated that project. A big project. That's what Ramaphosa is doing. He's resuscitating a project to preserve Zulu culture and preserve the heritage of the Zulu people, which was frustrated by Zuma from Natal. He comes here, he undermines us. The only big project we know he has done in Kanja, since we have never got any support in Kanja, is his home. That's why in Kanja we have never led in Kanja under Zuma, because people of Kanja don't relate to Jacob Zuma. Because when they see Jacob Zuma, they see a man for himself and a man for his family. And I can tell you now, since Jacob Zuma is out of the ANC, the people of Kanja will vote for the African National Congress for the first time. We are not insulting him, we are telling him the truth. He did build this home with taxpayers' money, and he was meant to pay it back. You know what made him to fight with COSATU? 2 projects that he presided over. COSATU fought in vain, preventing Zuma to say, Zuma, we are head of state, you are powerful. Stop Vodafone, a British multinational telecommunication, to buy Vodacom. Zuma didn't listen. Vodacom today is owned by British. Zuma agreed that Walmart must buy Massmart. Massmart, COSATU fought in vain. They went to the street. Zuma didn't listen. Today, Massmart is retrenching people from game, from macro. Workers are losing jobs because of Zuma's decisions. Now, Zuma concentrates the economy to the hands of the whites, and then he blamed Ramaphosa for that. We said in 2012 he might establish a state bank. He did nothing. As we speak today, there's a state bank act that is providing for the establishment of the state bank by the Ramaphosa, who is accused as a problem for political capital. going to be signed by Ramaphosa, who is accused of not being a favor to the poor. When an hour complaint, you will go to each and every hospital, including private hospital, get any medication, get any operation without paying a cent. Who did that is Ramaphosa, not Jacob Zuma. Not Jacob Zuma, it's Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa may not be a good dancer and a good singer, but practically he does things to benefit the poor. COSATU proposed and the SAPP a basic income grant in South Africa. Zuma didn't listen. Ramaphosa, when there's COVID, he just introduced 350. Yambuza, the president, your 350 wako. Every crisis in life produces an opportunity. It was in the president. Only we further the 350 as a temporary measure, but I knew we would need a chance to introduce a basic income grant. Now, he is going to Godongwana and say, Godongwana, give me why we should not introduce a basic income grant. And as things stand, it seems that it is possible. It's going to happen under Ramaphosa, not under Jacob Zuma. COSATU fought for the minimum wage, that in South Africa, there must be a minimum wage. It was Jacob Zuma didn't deliver that. Who delivered it is President Ramaphosa. Now, comrade, who is the champion of the poor between Jacob Zuma and Ramaphosa? Is Ramaphosa not Jacob Zuma? Ramaphosa is the champion of the poor through practical terms, through doing things practically, not through singing and dancing. By coming to you and say, go away, it's not enough. Do something with power we give you. Now, these are not insults, comrades. These are facts. If you think they're insults, go to a nearest waterfall. Wash yourself with cold water. Because they are not going to change. They're going to remain the same.
Loyo umongameli wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika umnomzane Jacob Zuma ongumholi eqenjini le-MK umkhonto wesizwe. Uthi lethana umshini wami ngapha loyo ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa umnomzane BAKHWELA oyilunga leqembu iAfrican National Congress uthi lethana umsholozi ngimtshene empempini. Umnomzane BAKHWELA ukhwela uyadilika kuJacob Zuma uthi umsholozi uyalazi iqiniso ulokhu ehamba ekhala ethi umanxeba izinsizwa nathi simanxeba uyena zizwele kabanzi umnomzane BAKHWELA ekhuluma bukhoma ngomnomzane Jacob Zuma. Mbukeli singawujabulela wakho umbono ngalezi indaba usike lijikayo usho ukuthi wena uyizwa injani inkulumo yomholi mayikhuluma kanje.
Nalomngcwabe sebona ubuhlungu. Awukho umngcwabo omnandi, especially mawungcwaba umuntu omaziyo. Ikakhuluma elengisile. Ayilengise after besethi ngibulale phela. Ayilengise ufe bese yamemeza usufile uthi ngibulale phela. Awuzusuka la ekhaya. Uyindodana la ekhaya. Uhambe uyoshona entabeni uthi mawusewehla uthi ngixosheni. Suhambe nje inkinga yakho ethi ngawo. Comrades, African National Congress. Sibuyele emakhaya, siyogeza amafosholo, siye emasimini, siyosebenza. Asambe siyogeza amafosholo, yena mkhululeni ahambe. Now, let me talk about my fear and sit down. This is my fear from the leadership, a big one. This province, iyakwazi ukubhoza kwegazi. Unfortunately, all my life in the ANC was an organizer. I was an organizer of Southern Natal, I was an organizer of the province, everything. So, I had a couple of points, I had a couple of security. So, I worked very close. The violence. Abantu be-ANC nabantu balezi province bafile. I've got 2 incidents in my 2004 or no 94 since my elections. 47 weekends. 47 I attend my funeral. Out 52 on my weekends. 47. So my job was to choose. The only thing was to choose. It was never one. 2 incidents in Uganda, when 16 people were killed, 13 of them were women. One of them was a baby. That's a violent I remember. The second one, that's a Shoba. So Shoba ends around 95, December 25. When I went there, December 25, come and go to December 25. December 25. When I came there was Uki Panyawos, who was an interim branch chair. When Gimbuza, there was Ulula Bandit, as science of Godin, no bad. Ella Marsha, the Marsha, the Petu Bat, the Sophia, but the catching about battle science. That's a kind of violence we're coming from here. You think, yes, you should which is. You think Mongameli, you should. You tell me that. Then you're shooting. Then ahamba ngayo uPhumla Zuma yini wadumaga kwathiwa ngihambile ngiyophosit yentanga. We sat down 3.5 hours. 3.5. Tell me that naye so-2 later sajoyina uDudu esilethela amakhophi angiphuzanga itiye ngaphuza ikhophi. That yazi ngisho yonke ANC wenza a special dispensation sakhe. He's the only human being about ANC yaba ushare with national yaba ushare with province center. That's the end Lord. It was a special dispensation because ANC wanted you to come and deal with violence in the province. Of which you did. We all went together. You did. Come here, no up, and you were going for that. That's again. These are basic tasks in the province. That was before July 2021. What about these are basic tasks? But if I get it, I need to about what happens. So to me, nothing shocks. Because what didn't know what happens. Because if it is not me, it can't be anybody. You can't have my politicians. If it is not me, it can't be anybody. Why don't you have a pride? You're good to your ANC. Every time but fed in 91. Here's your Congress. Now tattoo and jail. We should intact. Why? Here, all of us. The most of the latest man, but not this one, but the money for also, yeah. When you say Australia, you know that this again. nobhala weTheku. Uyabona lelibona leTheku nobhala. Ngazanga leTheku. Sayenza ingazanga leTheku John. Sasama ukele wonke umuntu ethi sinkinga nalabantu ababili ngoba bezwe uma bethandela. UThixo angisize ngabusitalo kwaMtolo. Ngoba mdada monakala. Fine leTheku. Somebody phone, what he led this one, the same Australia. Number home seven, what he led this one. What you are in? What you join of stand up with chair with him. Gabuya, I couldn't manage that. Nobody understands. Was trying to understand it about. I call NCs in Cape with that. And I'm a comrade at stand up in a money Cape with that. All as on me. I stood up. I resigned and not John and this wood were down. I see here the ANC. Who they have the ANC talent. Fine. But it can't be us. Beat this ANC and come back and resign to see PKs. It's not about me. And the most comrade, I have Sananian to like to stand. It's comrades of Namura Parat in the retail. And we can't afford it. Why should the ANC die so long as stand? Why? Why don't, especially when the ANC has made so much for me, when I've been the member of the top six, not of the NEC, for all my life, deputy secretary, chairperson, deputy president, president, what more do I want? What more do I want? Why can't I say to the ANC, that government, one of president, come to the package. By the way, I'm a president, I'm from our Tony pension. I have a package as is. He gets 3 million rand every year. My couple salary, everything we are spending, that's a some of us everything. Funad. Since you remember NEC, Canada, Nurses Kuluma, raises into Fuku and everything. Ufunad, Utwa Tosho, Sakalanga, Kosumbek, Pony. Mother Masaru, says one I think the Kosumu president. Masaru was a win nice, very special as Oliver. Comrade, Angaga Kudu. I'm sure you all Funan Kudu, Telum Telum everything. Because it's usual. Angaga Kudu, I have not spoken. And barely should bear. Wash a young for the artist, big assets. Comrades, Spaniga 5 years.
Sanibonani, uDr Njongo lo okhulumayo umelaphi wendabuko olapha ya eNtuzuma kwaG. Inombolo yami ithi 079 080 4929. Akukuningi engizokuchaza wonke umuntu obona into zakhe ziphansi noma zihamba kancane. Mina ngikhonela wena ukuthi ngikhuphulele into zakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uyibone ziyaphezulu. Usebenzile uqala unyaka waze wophela unyaka kodwa ayikho into oyiphethe esandleni. Inombolo yami u079 080 4929.